Load envelopes in your HP printer and then print from macOS. On printers with a rear-loading input tray, load envelopes with the front face up and the flap to the left. On printers with a front-loading input tray, load envelopes with the front face down and the flap to the left. Slide in any paper guides until they touch the edge of the envelopes. On the printer control panel, confirm or modify the size and type of envelope loaded in the printer if necessary. In macOS, configure Contacts to print on envelopes. Open Contacts and then select the contact to add as the recipient. Go to File and then select Print. If no settings display in the Print dialog box, click Show Details. Click the Style drop-down list and then select Envelopes. Click the Layout drop-down list and then select your envelope size. Click the Label tab. To include your return address on the envelope, select the checkbox next to Print My Address. Click Orientation and select the landscape icon. Click Print to print the information on the envelope.